This phone is all about the camera, and trust me, it is a true monster in this department. Huawei has put everything into making this device a professional-level camera that just happens to also be a smartphone. In today's video, we are going to break down every single detail about this phone. We will look at the design, display, performance, battery, and of course spend a lot of time focusing on that incredible camera system with a 1-inch lens. Hey everyone, I'm your host Zahid and welcome back to ZaidiEsTech. Today we are talking about a smartphone that is going to redefine mobile photography and push the limits of what a smartphone camera can do. Say hello to the brand new Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. So grab your tea or coffee, sit back and stay with me till the end. Let's dive right in. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra has a thickness of 8.3 millimeters. It feels slim but still substantial enough to give you a secure grip. The phone weighs around 233.5 grams, which makes it slightly heavy. But this is because it is packing a massive camera module, a big battery and strong build materials. When you hold it, it feels premium and very solid in hand. The build consists of a glass front, an aluminum frame and a glass back. Huawei has used Kunlun Glass 2 on the front, which is basil tempered, making it super durable and resistant to scratches and accidental drops. The phone is IP68 and IP69 rated, meaning it is completely dust tight and can survive high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Whether you are traveling, shooting in rain, or just living an adventurous life, this phone can handle it. Available in gold and black, both finishes look elegant and luxurious. The gold variant is especially eye-catching and will definitely turn heads. Display. Moving on to the display, which is another highlight of this device. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra comes with a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel. With an approximate screen-to-body ratio of almost 90%, you get a truly immersive experience. The resolution is 1276 by 2848 pixels, giving you a pixel density of around 459 pixels per inch. This means everything from photos to videos to text will appear super crisp and sharp. It supports 1 billion colors and HDR, and it features a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The combination of LTPO technology and 120 Hz makes animations and scrolling buttery smooth while still being battery efficient. Huawei has also included 1440 Hz PWM dimming, which helps reduce eye strain when using the phone for long periods. The peak brightness is a jaw-dropping 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest displays on any smartphone today. You can easily use it under direct sunlight without any problem. The display is protected by Kunlun Glass 2, which gives it extra durability against everyday wear and tear. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is powered by the Kirin 9020 chipset, built on a 7nm process. While not the absolute top performer in raw power compared to some Snapdragon chips, this processor is optimized very well for Huawei's ecosystem and offers smooth, reliable performance. It comes with the Maliu 920 GPU, which handles graphics tasks effectively, whether it's high-end gaming or editing your high-resolution photos and videos directly on the device. In terms of software, it runs EMUI for international markets and Harmony OS 5.1 in China. Both operating systems are known for their fluidity, excellent multitasking capabilities, and strong AI integration. You get either 512GB storage with 16GB RAM or a massive 1TB storage option with the same 16GB RAM. This ensures you will never run out of space even if you shoot a lot of high-resolution photos and 4K videos. Camera system, the star of the show. Now let's get to the main attraction, the camera system. This is where the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra truly shines. Starting with the main camera, it features a 50-megapixel sensor with a wide f1.6 to f4.0 variable aperture. This is a 1-inch type sensor, which is huge for a smartphone. The largest sensor allows for significantly better light capture, resulting in incredible low-light performance and rich detail. The main lens also has dual pixel phase detection, autofocus, and optical image stabilization, making it perfect for shooting fast-moving subjects and for handheld low-light shots. Next, there is a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with sensor shift OIS and 3.7x optical zoom. This camera gives you flexibility to shoot portraits or faraway subjects without losing detail. There's also a 12.5 megapixel second periscope telephoto camera with 9.4x optical zoom and sensor shift OIS. This allows you to get even closer to your subject while maintaining high image quality. Lastly, there's a 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus. This camera is great for capturing landscapes, architecture and creative shots where you want a wider perspective. Both telephoto cameras use the same sensor technology and do not have continuous optical zoom, but they give you multiple fixed zoom levels with exceptional clarity. On the video side, the Pura 80 Ultra can record in 4K and 1080p with support for slow motion at 960 frames per second interpolated. It also supports HDR vivid, gyroscope-based electronic image stabilization and optical image stabilization for smoother footage. For selfies, it has a 13 megapixel ultra-wide front camera with autofocus. This is perfect for group selfies and vlogging. It can record up to 4K and 1080p at 240 frames per second for slow motion shots. If you are a content creator, photographer, or someone who simply loves capturing memories, this camera system will blow you away. Audio and connectivity. The phone has stereo speakers for immersive sound whether you are gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack, but with advanced Bluetooth 5.2 and Snapdragon sound you get excellent wireless audio quality. On the connectivity side, it supports 5G, Wi-Fi up to version 7 with dual band support, Wi-Fi Direct, NFC, and even an infrared port, so you can control devices like TVs and air conditioners. Positioning technologies include GPS, GLONASS, BDS, and Galileo, so navigation is super precise no matter where you are. Battery and charging. For battery, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra packs a 5,700 mAh lithium polymer battery. This is a big battery that can easily last a full day of heavy use, even with photography and video recording. When it comes to charging, you get 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, 20-watt reverse wireless charging, and 18-watt reverse wired charging. This means you can not only charge your phone quickly, but also use it as a power bank to charge other devices wirelessly or wired. Additional features and security. Security-wise, the phone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Some may prefer an under-display sensor, but side-mounted options tend to be faster and more accurate. Other sensors include an accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, compass, and even a barometer. A special feature for Chinese users is BDS satellite calling and messaging, which can be a lifesaver in remote areas without cellular coverage. Colors and pricing. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra comes in two beautiful colors, gold and black. Both look premium and sophisticated. And it really comes down to your personal preference. As for the price, it starts at around 1,220 euros, which converts to roughly 1,320 US dollars. It is certainly a premium price tag, but for the technology packed into this phone, especially that camera system, it offers a lot of value to serious photography and video enthusiasts. Conclusion. So to sum it all up, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is a true photographer-focused flagship. From its groundbreaking 1-inch main sensor to its versatile zoom options and powerful ultra-wide camera, this phone is built to replace your DSLR or mirrorless camera in many situations. Combine that with a beautiful OLED display, large battery with super fast charging, strong build quality and top-level connectivity, and you have one of the most complete smartphones on the market today. If you are a content creator, a mobile photographer, or someone who loves capturing life's moments in the highest quality possible, the Pura 80 Ultra should be at the very top of your list. Let me know in the comments what you think about this camera beast. Are you excited to try that 1-inch sensor, or are you waiting for another flagship to drop? If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit like, subscribe to ZaidiEsTech and smash that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Zahid signing off, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.